how to recover deleted files from Samsung Galaxy phone. So I will show you with the proof. So watch this video till the end. So friends, first of all you need to delete any file. I am just showing you as an example. I'm going to my files, going to internal storage, going to any folder. You can, I am deleting this Canva file. I have these two PDF, so I am deleting this folder. Delete, move to recycle bin. So how I will recover it? I will again go to internal storage in same my files. In my files I will go to internal storage. These three dots at the top, I need to click on this and click on this option recycle bin, and you can see this Canva folder is available. I will just tap on it and you can see restore this file. Just keep on tapping it and click on restore. So go back to the same download folder and you can find both the files are recovered. So you can recover PDF, images, videos, anything you can recover with this process. I hope now friends you will be able to recover your files from on your Android phone. You can do this with Samsung phone and other Android phone as well. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, take care.